What's up?
So,
No coronavirus out here, man. We're corona free. My city. One.
Dad,
Sit down. Fun, K-Dot?
no,
Why not?
because it's too fast.
It's too fast. Look how slow we're going right now.
No, like oh, there's
Another one?
another.
Another submarine? That's your favorite? Is that Rob Stone? Man, this beat's so hard, I almost didn't want to do a voiceover. I ain't even gonna lie. But we're gonna start off. We're using the trimmer in the back of the haircut. Give him a little skin line. We're gonna skip the half guard on this, guys, because his hair is light already. So we're just gonna go straight into 1.5. We're gonna take out some bulk by going down on the back of the hair. This is a good technique. Try it, see how you like it. We're just gonna fade down from the back. Taking the 2 and I'm going up against the grain, and then I'm going with the grain, and this will just take out some bulk depending on how long the hair is. I usually use the 2 right where the taper, the 1.5 meets the top of the hair. Now we're gonna go and fade out that bottom line using the lever, starting off with the lever closed, slowly opening it up and just working out that bottom line. Take your time. Open and close the lever. Don't go too high. If you need to put the half guard on there to blend it all together, that's what you're gonna do. But you're just working on that bottom line, opening and closing the guard. Corners of the blade. Throw that 1/16 guard on there, and everything will come together. I'm gonna give him a skin taper, but I'm gonna outline it first so that I can keep the crispiness of the beard and the side, have it all connect. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. The channel has great content. I would appreciate it. Going back over with the edges, keeping everything nice and crispy. We're gonna blend in, start blending the beard and the taper together. We're gonna use a 2, take out some side bulk, and keep tapering away. Corners of the blades here, guys. You got a little area, you're not gonna use a full guard. Gonna freehand the side a little bit to bring it all together. Back with the edges. When you're dealing with someone with longer hair, the hair is gonna stick over where you're cutting, so I'm constantly going back and forth. I'm not pushing it back, but I'm just making sure if there's any little hairs that start to stick up over there, I'm cutting them. Now we're gonna hit him with the razor blade. It's gonna look like $1 million. Still got this motive razor, man. Do the last bit of detail and corner of the blade, take out that beard line, and we're just gonna do a little bit here and there, taking out dark spots. It's a very detailed cut. It's not very hard. You just gotta make sure you're not going too high and using the corners of your blades. Now we're gonna line up the edge so you can see how this is gonna come all together. This beat's so smacking, I don't even really want to talk too much on here. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. We're dropping tutorials, product reviews, all kinds of stuff. Great channel, great up and coming channel.